Picture this. You walk up to a house that looks like it was pulled straight out of a luxury architecture magazine. Floor-to-ceiling glass walls reflecting the trees around it. Rich warm wood panels wrapping the exterior. Natural light pouring into every room. A home that feels both wild and refined at the same time. A home that actually breathes. Now what if I told you that in 2026, this is not a fantasy? This is the most sought-after residential design trend on the planet. And today I'm going to take you through the most stunning modern wood and glass house designs that are redefining what it means to live beautifully. Before we dive in, if you are someone who dreams about building your own home or upgrading your current space, smash that like button right now. Subscribe if you have not already, and stick with me until the very end of this video because I'm going to reveal a builder who can actually bring these designs to life for you. You do not want to miss that. Let us get into it. Why wood and glass is the design language of 2026. Let us talk about why this combination has completely taken over the architecture world in 2026. We are living in a time where people are done with cold, sterile interiors. The all-white minimalist box had its run, but homeowners today want warmth. They want connection to nature. They want a home that has personality without being loud. And wood and glass together deliver exactly that. Wood brings texture, warmth, and an organic quality that no synthetic material can replicate. Glass does the opposite. It opens the home up. It dissolves the wall between the inside and the outside world. When you combine the two, you get this incredible tension between shelter and openness, between the solid and the transparent, between the earthy and the modern. And here's what makes 2026 especially exciting. Engineered timber technology has reached a point where we can now build multi-story structures primarily from wood without compromising on strength, safety, or durability. Cross-laminated timber, also known as CLT, is being used in homes that rival concrete and steel in structural performance while offering a fraction of the carbon footprint. At the same time, smart glass technology is now accessible at a residential level. Electrochromic glass, which can switch from clear to frosted at the touch of a button, is being installed in luxury homes worldwide. Privacy on demand. No curtains, no blinds, just clean lines and technology doing the work. This is why wood and glass homes in 2026 are not just beautiful. They are intelligent. The top modern wood and glass design styles you need to know. Now let me walk you through the actual design styles that are dominating in 2026. These are the ones getting millions of views on design platforms, trending on architecture blogs, and showing up in high-end real estate listings globally. The forest canopy design. This is a design concept where the home appears to grow out of its natural surroundings. Think of a structure built on a wooded or hillside plot, with horizontal cedar or Douglas fir cladding running along the exterior, and full-height glass panels framing uninterrupted views of the trees. The roofline on these homes tends to be low-pitched or flat, creating a horizontal emphasis that mimics the natural horizon. Inside, exposed timber beams run across open-plan living spaces, and the flooring is usually wide plank hardwood in a natural or lightly oiled finish. What makes this design especially powerful in 2026 is the integration of biophilic design principles. Biophilic design is the practice of connecting building occupants with the natural environment, and studies published in architectural research journals have shown it reduces stress, improves cognitive function, and increases overall well-being. This is not just a trend. YouTube, it is science-backed living. The glass box with timber core. This design flips the script. Instead of wood dominating the exterior, glass takes center stage. The primary structure is a geometric glass box, with dramatic timber framing used as both a structural and aesthetic element. Picture a two-story home where the ground floor is almost entirely glass, giving a floating, transparent quality to the structure. The upper floor is clad in dark-stained timber, creating a bold contrast. At night, with internal lighting glowing through the glass, these homes look absolutely cinematic. This design works especially well on properties with a strong natural backdrop, whether that is a mountain range, a lake, or even a well-designed garden. The Scandinavian organic modern style. Scandinavia continues to influence global architecture in 2026, and this style reflects that influence beautifully. It is defined by simplicity, functionality, and a deep respect for natural materials. Exterior walls are typically clad in light-toned pine or spruce, sometimes treated with a white or gray wash to give that signature Nordic look. Large rectangular windows dominate the facade, and the overall form is clean, uncluttered, and honest. Inside, you will find cathedral ceilings with exposed laminated timber beams, concrete accent walls that provide thermal mass, and a carefully curated palette of natural tones. The furniture in these homes tends to be equally restrained, because the architecture itself is the showpiece. What is interesting about this style in 2026 is that it has merged with Japanese wabi-sabi philosophy, the beauty found in imperfection and natural aging. Homeowners are now choosing timber species that are allowed to weather naturally over time, developing a silver-gray patina that deepens the character of the home year after year. The desert contemporary wood and glass home. You might not immediately associate wood with desert climates, but this is one of the most breathtaking design combinations of 2026. In regions like Arizona, southern Spain, or parts of Australia, architects are building homes that use thermally modified timber, which is heat-treated so that it becomes highly resistant to moisture, rut, and UV damage without chemical treatment. The exteriors of these homes feature deep overhangs and recessed glass walls to control solar gain, while the interior opens up through full-width sliding glass panels to covered outdoor terraces and pools. The thermal mass of concrete combined with the warmth of timber and the reflective quality of glass creates homes that are stunning to look at and highly energy efficient to live in. The contemporary barn house. The barn conversion aesthetic has evolved dramatically in 2026. This is no longer about slapping some shiplap on the wall and calling it rustic. Modern barn-style homes are architectural statements. High-pitched rooflines with black standing seam metal, board and batten timber cladding in dark charcoal tones. And then the surprise, a fully glazed gable end, flooding the interior with light and giving the home an unexpected drama that stops people in their tracks. These homes are especially popular in rural settings, on farmland or estates, where they reference the agricultural history of the land while delivering every modern luxury. Interior design inside wood and glass homes. The magic of these homes does not stop at the facade. Step inside, and the design language continues with total coherence. In 2026, the open-plan kitchen and living area is still the heart of these homes, but it is being done with much more sophistication than before. Kitchens now feature handleless cabinetry in timber veneer or matte lacquer finishes, with stone or concrete countertops that connect back to the raw material palette of the architecture. Living spaces are anchored by large-format natural stone or polished concrete flooring, which pairs beautifully with the warmth of timber accents above. YouTube. Fireplaces in 2026 are almost universally linear and wall-mounted, often in black steel or concrete that cuts cleanly through the room. Primary bedrooms in these homes are designed around the view. The bed is positioned to face the glass wall or window, so the first thing you see when you wake up is the sky, the trees, or the water. It is intentional, and it transforms the entire experience of being in the space. Bathrooms are where wood and glass get really bold. Wet rooms featuring teak or Rococo timber on the floors and walls, paired with structural glass shower enclosures that are practically frameless. Natural stone basins. Rainwater-style shower heads. The bathroom in a modern wood and glass home is not a utility space. It is a ritual space. Sustainability and the future of wood and glass homes. One of the most compelling reasons to choose a wood and glass home in 2026 is the sustainability story, and it is genuinely impressive. Sustainably sourced timber is one of the most carbon-efficient building materials on the planet. Trees absorb carbon dioxide as they grow, and that carbon is stored within the timber structure of your home, effectively locking it out of the atmosphere for the lifetime of the building. When you combine this with triple-glazed glass units that deliver exceptional thermal performance, and pair them with renewable energy systems like solar panels integrated seamlessly into the roof design, you end up with a home that has an extraordinarily low operational carbon footprint. Several wood and glass homes completed in 2026 have achieved full passive house certification, meaning they require almost no active heating or cooling because the building envelope alone maintains comfortable internal temperatures year-round. Green roofs and living walls are also becoming standard features on these homes in 2026. They add biodiversity, improve thermal performance, and create a visual continuity between the home and its landscape that is simply beautiful. This is not greenwashing. This is architecture doing exactly what it should be doing, serving the people who live in it while caring for the environment it sits within. What does it cost to build a modern wooden glass home in 2026? Let us be honest, because that is what this channel is about. Modern wooden glass homes are not budget builds. The materials are premium, the detailing requires skilled craftsmanship, and the architectural design work alone represents a significant investment. In 2026, a well-executed wooden glass home in the United States typically starts at around $350 to $450 per square foot for a high-quality build with good detailing. In Europe, particularly in the UK, Scandinavia, and Germany, costs are broadly comparable depending on specification. However, here is the honest truth. When you are building a home that is designed to last 100 years, that stores carbon, that costs significantly less to heat and cool, and that will hold and grow its value because of its architectural quality, the investment calculus looks very different. You are not just building a house. You are building an asset. And that brings me to something I promised you at the start of this video. The builder who can bring this to life for you. Now, a lot of people watch videos like this and think, this is beautiful, but who actually builds these? Because the gap between inspiration and reality is where most people get stuck. I want to point you toward Build with Nature, a specialist residential construction firm that focuses exclusively on contemporary timber and glass architecture. They work with both private clients and architects to deliver high-specification wooden glass homes, and they have been at the forefront of sustainable residential building throughout 2025 and into 2026. What sets them apart is their integrated approach. They do not just construct what you hand them. YouTube. They work alongside you and your architect from early concept stage, advising on material selection, structural systems, thermal performance, and site-specific challenges. They have in-house expertise in CLT construction, passive house principles, and smart glass integration. Their portfolio includes forest canopy homes in the Pacific Northwest, contemporary glass and timber residences in the English countryside, and Scandinavian-influenced builds across Northern Europe. If you are serious about building a modern wooden glass home, the conversation starts with a builder who understands the material and the vision. Build with Nature is a strong starting point. Search for them online and look through their project gallery. Whether or not they end up being your builder, their work will give you a real and honest benchmark for what quality in this space actually looks like. Key design tips if you are planning your own build. Before I wrap up, let me leave you with some practical design wisdom that will save you time, money, and regret if you are planning a wooden glass home. Number 1. Let the site drive the design. The most successful wood and glass homes in 2026 are the ones where the architecture responds directly to the landscape, the orientation, the views, and the climate. Do not import a design from somewhere else. Design for where you are. Number 2. Invest in the glass specification. There is an enormous difference between standard double glazing and a high-performance triple glazed unit with warm edge spaces and argon fill. The thermal performance gap is significant, and it will affect your comfort and your energy bills every single day for the life of the building. Number 3. Protect your timber. Exposed timber on the exterior needs to be specified and treated correctly for your climate. Work with your architect and builder to select the right species and finish for your conditions, whether that is pre-weathered hardwood, thermally modified timber, or high-quality UV-stable finish on softwood. Number 4. Think about the light journey through the day. The best wooden glass homes are designed so that different spaces catch the best light at different times. Morning light in the bedroom and kitchen, evening light in the living and dining areas. Work with your architect to trace the path of the sun across your site before finalizing window and opening placement. Number 5. Budget for quality detailing. The junctions between timber and glass, the transitions between interior and exterior materials, the reveal depths around windows. These are the details that separate a truly beautiful home from one that just looks good in photographs. Do not cut corners on detailing. Modern wood and glass homes in 2026 represent the very best of what residential architecture can be. They are beautiful, yes, but they are also intelligent, sustainable, emotionally resonant, and deeply connected to the natural world. Whether you are at the dreaming stage, the planning stage, or ready to break ground, I hope this video has given you a richer understanding of what is possible and what to look for. If you found value in this, please share it with someone who loves architecture or is thinking about building their own home. Leave a comment below and tell me which of the design styles we covered today resonated most with you. I genuinely read every single comment and reply to as many as I can. Hit subscribe if you want more content like this. We cover architecture, interior design, and modern living with honesty and depth, and there is a lot more coming. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. That means everything. See you in the next one.